To aquarium enthusiasts, Infusoria refers to many small organisms in the water that tiny fry can feed up upon. There's a large number of organisms that could be in an Infusoria culture. Here are some of the primary ones include algae, amoebas, euglena, paramecium, rotifers, stentor, vorticella, etc. This video demonstrates some of the microorganisms types normally available in our Infusoria culture kits. The video was shot in our lab under a microscope using X400 magnification. Infusoria is particularly critical for anyone who is attempting to breed fish, as many newly hatched fry feed entirely on microscopic Infusoria during the early days of their lives. Having a ready supply of Infusoria can make the difference between success and failure of the entire hatching of young fry. Infusoria is found in all the water bodies in nature: ponds, lakes, rivers, any pool of water, even a puddle of water in the pothole in your street. Likewise, your aquarium also contains Infusoria. It's just that what most aquarium holds is not sufficient for newly hatched fry. Most egg scatters such as celestial pearldanios, harlequin rasboras, tetras such as ember tetra, neon tetra, cardinal, tetra, etc., do not provide any parental care. This includes goldfish will scatter the eggs over plants and substrate and move on. Also, some livebearers such as guppies, mollies, platies, swordtails, etc., do not stick around to fend their babies. Instead, they willingly relish the newborns for an afternoon snack. Infusoria is absolutely one of the best foods for newly hatched betta fry and egg layers. The first few days of life are incredibly important for newly hatched fry. If the fry do not receive adequate nutrition during the early stages of their life, they may fail to develop properly and could even starve to death before they grow large enough to accept other foods like microworms and vinegar eels. To feed your fry, add a small amount of water from the Infusoria solution jar to your fry tank. For easier feeding, harvest a small amount of Infusoria from the pot using an eyedropper and squirt it directly in the reservoir where the fry is growing. As simple as that. Remember that Infusoria is microscopic small. A little amount of water containing it is more than enough to feed your fry. Please avoid adding too much Infusoria to the fry tank at every given time because excessive Infusoria will pollute your tank. A good rule of thumb to remember is to add small amounts of Infusoria in the tank at least twice every day to enable the fry to grow faster. As time goes, you may realize that the water in the jar containing the Infusoria may start to produce an unpleasant smell. Don't panic, this is entirely normal as decomposition of the organic matter is the reason behind it. To minimize pollution of your fry tank, avoid adding any plant matter to the tank when feeding the fish. Infusoria grows best in the tank or pool used to grow your aquatic plants. Two essential ingredients are peat moss and leaf litter. Create a bottom substrate of peat, keeping in mind fresh dried peat moss can take several weeks to sink to the bottom. Add dry leaves to the water. They will provide decaying organic matter for the Infusoria. Keep the surface about 1/2 open and free of plants. Keep in indirect sun outdoors, or bright indirect lighting indoors. Infusoria will quickly increase in numbers and will be ready to feed to your fry within 8 to 14 days. To order live Infusoria culture, please visit our website. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel.
you.